Hello gentlemen, in this video I'm going to show you the reversal bot. So the reversal bot is used to catch tokens that are on a dip or reversing. So some of these are long-term projects. So in theory, before it actually pumps back, you can catch reversals at the bottom and then sell at the top or hold if you like the projects. It's a really good utility. I've never seen anything like it, but we'll go through everything shortly. I'll show you how the bot works. There is a free trial so you can jump in. It scans, like it says, 20,000 live tokens now. So tokens that have liquidity, locked, etc., all safe, renounced, it will catch the reversals on these. So if you're hunting onto reverse plays or dips on tokens, this is the one for you. Again, like I said, long-term projects, so projects that have been out for years, or it could be new tokens that have got a major dip in it. So it highlights it for you. So in terms of the bot, go onto the website, click try bot, and we'll demonstrate it now. So I joined earlier today and I've been scanning through. So when you join in, you'll have the start option, and what this demonstrates is short term and long term. So obviously if it's short term, you can put high volatility. It explains everything here. You know, short term is 7 days back, and then there's low volatility on here. So this is a call that just came in, and as you can see, every few minutes, if you check the time, you get a call coming in. Now I have pretty much everything selected. So if you don't want, short term, you don't want low volatility, you want high volatility, you can click that. And you can select minimum Ethereum as well. I'll click 1 ETH for now. And obviously your preference in terms of deck screener, etc. But I'll demonstrate and we'll have a look at some tokens now. So this one has, quite low volume. Market cap's quite low. There might have only been one buy, but it could be the start of something. Whether the devs, bringing out some utility or something. This looks terrible, so this is going to be something that you'd look at. But we can have a look at some few others maybe. This one was a short-term one, so it's a 7-dayer, and it has one buy seems to be coming through as well. Again, go into the Telegram on these tokens and find out why they're sort of bringing back. So these buys, you can have a look yourself. Obviously everyone has their own trading preference. This doesn't look like it's dramatically reversing. Again, all my settings were picking up everything, so if there was even a little bit of reversal. So this one seems to be having a bit more action onto it. So this one was a short term with high sensitivity, so that means there's probably dips in this. So if we go back to the minute chart, it's obviously caught some dip. Maybe this was the dip or this was the dip. So it gives you that advisory in terms of this token being, if you want, this will be something you want to catch dips on. So volume's high, there's a dip coming in, people are likely to buy, so you can get in before them if you have the signals on, of course. And again, this one was called quite often in terms of itself, and you can click the community tab onto that. So it is pretty good. It's a very useful utility. Again, let's see how this done. So this one was 184 liquidity. Let's see if that liquidity is higher now. So it's lower, so that one's dipped even more again, so the signal will probably come back on that. Again, let's see if we can find one. President Kennedy. So this one's called quite often, so it's catching the dips often on this one, and we can see again 119 on this, and again this one's dipped as well. Probably that's where the signal came in. So joining the telegrams on these, finding out which one's going to do well, that's pretty much the game on this. So if you do want to upgrade, so you get a free trial with it, you get to, for 30 days, you have to have 500 tokens, send it to this address, or for lifetime access, 1500 tokens here. So how you'd buy this token is on Uniswap. So I'll go into the chart itself, which is currently sitting at 250k market cap. Now, if I buy this token, actually let's buy it now because I'm planning to buy. So I'll go into here, copy the web address here, and then we'll buy 500 tokens, yeah? And hopefully I've got good settings on here so it goes through, and then you'll have to confirm it once again. But in terms of this as a token itself, now if I do want to buy, because I'm going to buy a monthly, I would send my tokens to that address, and then the bot will verify me and I'll have access to it for 1 month. Once that's done, those tokens are burnt from there. So that's my buyer coming in. So I'd send it to the bot, copy the address and just transfer it. In terms of this, that token will be dead. So the floor is going to be raised much higher. So over time, when people start to use this bot, the price of the token and the tokens itself is likely to go much higher. We could see, a couple of dollars for this token if it picks up. Now there is work happening. There is BSC coming out and Solana as well. I can imagine it's going to be really, really good on Solana as well. So like with all these utilities, they need tweaking. Like ourselves, when we're joining these kind of utilities, we're going to be looking at the start and we're going to be saying, look, I don't want high volatility, I want medium. So you'll find your preference. Actually, I want tokens that are really, really big in LP, million, or 100k in liquidity. You can select all those, and you can even toggle not renounced or must be renounced like that, so you can have your preferences. But this is something that's used to find really good tokens, and there have been some really, really good top gainers as well. Or this is what, in the last 7 days, that's what it's caught. So this bot has caught some really, really good tokens. What is that? That's like a crazy shot. I think they caught that a 9k market cap on a dip, and then it went into the millions. So if you are into hunting your tokens, this could be the one for you. Reversal, if you're interested in a token, check it out. All the links are in the description.